So here we have a loop and some shoelaces that we've made. So what you're going to take, what you're going to do with that loop is put your mallet on top, hold it about halfway like this, and then you're going to take your knot, put it through the other end while it's still on the mallet, and pull through. Now you've got this little secure knot thing. And then you take it on your hand, put the knot side over your pinky, and then it goes twisted into like a figure 8 over your other finger, behind and in front. So loop, pinky, twist over your ring finger, behind and in front. But that's what that looks like. Thanks for watching our tutorial.
For more flourishing exercises and tunes that you can play along with us and use for your own band, please subscribe to our Patreon.
Keep watching this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this one.
Thanks!